So what they did is they had 22,000 people got the vaccine, 22,000 didn't, and they have 6 months of data. Some of that is unblinded, but it's 6 months. And during that 6-month period, in the vaccine group, 1 person died of COVID. And in the placebo group, 2 people died from COVID. So that allows Pfizer to tell the public and, FDA to tell the public, oh, this vaccine is 100% effective because 2 is 100% of 1.
That is insane.
Yeah, that would be insane if it was true, which it's not. First, the vaccine efficacy in that study was 95%, not 100%, so we're getting basic stats wrong from the start because you have to in order to make the fake math work for his fake story of 2 deaths versus 1 death. Second, the whole point of that study wasn't looking at protection against death, but rather protection against symptomatic COVID-19, which the vaccine did reduce by 95%. That was true at that time, long before the development of new variants. Third, even if they were comparing rates of death, that's the opposite of how you would do the calculation for vaccine efficacy. If the vaccine group had 1 death and the placebo group had 2 deaths, that would be a 50% relative reduction in death because you're cutting the 2 deaths in half, not reducing them by 100%. If it was 100% effective against death, that would have reduced it from the alleged 2 deaths to 0 deaths, so he doesn't even know the equation to calculate vaccine efficacy in the first place. The highly coveted 3 times wrong in 30 seconds is going to the A tier. Now let's leave COVID behind and turn to rates of adverse